All right, we're going to be shooting some remote controls today. These are Dish Network remote controls, and we no longer have Dish. So bye-bye remote controls from Dish Network. Stay tuned next week as we actually shoot the Dish Network box that they wanted back. But today we're going to be shooting these. Let's shoot them with our 22. We're going to be using our Marlin Model 60 22, and we're going to be test firing some ammo today. So let's give her a go here. All right. Well, that was pretty cool. Let's see. Ah, the batteries were still, I could have used those. Not anymore. Let's see what we got here. What's the damage? So we got one of the batteries. But pretty much, that's what they did. Just kind of, they fell apart basically. There you go. That's shooting remote controls. Stay tuned next week when we shoot the actual box that they want back. Also, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Tell me what you want me to shoot next. I'll be shooting stuff, you know, all the time. Just sometimes I forget to videotape it, but I like to shoot stuff. I like to do ammo reviews. I like to find what ammo works best for what guns. So leave a comment. What do you want me to shoot next? With what gun? Yeah, that works great. Share the video so this channel grows. The more it grows, the more I shoot stuff. That's how it works.